Yung championship, kahit gaano kahirap yung pinagdaanan nyo, ano lang yung nararamdaman?
Sobrang saya, sobrang relieved kasi hindi namin ito magagawa kung hindi kami nagtulungan talaga from start to finish. As in, bawat laro na pinagdaanan namin, iba yung challenge, iba yung kailangan from each person para mairaos namin. We had a couple of do or die games din na sobrang proud ako sa kung paano namin hinandle as a team. And ngayon, getting the championship, na hindi rin madali kasi nag 5 sets din kami. Nagbunga rin lahat ng hirap at lahat ng sacrifices at mga pinaghirapan namin. So happy ako.
Jane, you were pretty emotional kanina after yung manalo. Can you take us through lang kung yung
Pagod na. Nung 4th and 5th set kasi we really had to dig deep. Kasi pinupush talaga kami ng signal with long rallies and lahat ng paluin namin dinadepensahan nila. So we have to give it to them for preparing well and giving us a good fight. After the last point kasi, actually, in the 5th set, we weren't really looking at the score. We were really taking it point by point. At one point, hindi nga namin alam na nag-all na yung score. So, nung 13, 14, and 15, doon lang talaga kami as in sobrang everyone was locked in, everyone was reaching this flow state na masarap din maranasan on my end. And when we scored that last point, parang lahat lang ng emotions namin at tinatry namin i-hold in, lumabas at yun, hindi na namin hinold back talaga.
Gio, the last time you played finals nga for Team 9 ng 2023, talo yun. And ngayon, nabawi nyo na nga with Team 9. Bago pa ba sa'yo itong championship feeling na? Or meron pa rin, kumbaga, yung memories na parang naging familiar pa ulit itong feeling na ito, winning titles with Team?
For me, kung tatanungin ako kung ano yung most special championship, it will always be the most recent one. Kasi bawat championship na pinagdadaanan namin, ibang sacrifices, ibang story. Like, if you ask the team, pare-pareho kami nang sasabihin, iba yung journey going to this championship and even the past 10 other championships, iba rin yung journey namin to reach that. So, hawakan namin lahat ng natutunan namin this conference and lahat ng natutunan namin sa sarili namin, sa isa't isa. And that's what makes this one special this time around.
Julia, as a player and having a crowd like that, dominantly supporting you, can you just take us through kung paano siya tinitake?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had a lot of games, not just today's finals, na yung cheer ng crowd ang nakakadala sa amin. Lalo na pagka mahabang rally or dikit yung laban hanggang dulo. Totoo talaga, may factor talaga ang crowd sa pag-push sa amin when it comes to crucial, may hirap na sitwasyon. Sobrang thankful namin that the crowd is there for us. And kasama rin naman sila sa achievement.
Yeah. You mentioned after the semifinals na you had doubts whether you defeat Triton coming back here sa Team 9. What does this championship prove for you?
Na walang imposible kung magtutulungan lang talaga kami lahat. This championship, hindi lang to depend sa isang tao. Nakadepende sa kung like how well we can put different girls together under one system, going towards one goal. Ako thankful ako na the times na hindi ko magampanan fully yung role ko, andyan si Kyle para saluhin ako, andyan yung teammates ko para saluhin ako, and that's the beauty of a team sport. You don't always have to be perfect, but there will always be someone ready to step up for you. I'm thankful ako for that.